Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.in and today we have with us to unbox and review a mesh Wi-Fi system. So this is the Zyxel Multy AC3000 tri-band whole home Wi-Fi system. So the tagline is Wi-Fi without boundaries. So a few months ago we reviewed a Wi-Fi system from TP-Link, that was TP-Link Deco M5. So we just came across this product and we thought of to give it a try. And this is the Zyxel Multy Wi-Fi mesh system. So as you can see to the box, it's written that the Wi-Fi coverage is up to 2500 square feet, effortless installation, fast and easy setup, parental controls, system extender or router, mesh Wi-Fi technology. Inside the box, you have a multi-X power adapter, Ethernet cable, which is of 6 feet, quick state guide, and some tech specifications are given such as AC3000 tri-band Wi-Fi system, 5 GHz up to 1733 Mbps with dedicated backhaul. Then we have the wired connectivity with 1 gigabit WAN, memory of 4 GB eMMC and 512 MB RAM, and antennas 9 high performing antennas, so that's pretty good. Security wise, we have high security of WPA2 encryption, and the item dimensions are given. So unboxing the box now, you can see we have got a pretty cool packaging for this Wi-Fi router by Zyxel. After opening up the package, you can see we have got this pretty stylish and big Wi-Fi router here in front of you. So it's written Zyxel on the Wi-Fi router. Further go inside the box, we have the quick start guide, so you can just scan the QR code and download the Multi-X app. Then we have the warranty card and few documents. And then we have the RJ45 cable, so this is the anti-tangle cable and it seems to be pretty good quality. So we have this country specific plug, so as I'm in India, so I get this Indian plug. And then we have the power adapter for your router. So here is the router itself. You can see it looks quite stylish and is also pretty big. Now checking out the connectivity options, we have the power input to the left, then we have the reset key to the right, we have 3 LAN ports, a WAN port and a USB port. So after plugging the router to the power source, you will get this white light blinking, which means you can start the installation now. So guys, I have installed the Multi-X app on my phone and it says to start the installation. So now we can start the installation. Let's click start installation. And it's asking which is the device. So we have the Multi-X, we'll click the Multi-X and we'll click start. And it's saying that get ready, prepare the item near your modem. So we have already connected it to a Ethernet cable and the power adapter. So we'll click next. It's asking to unplug the modem, then connect Multi-X to the modem and plug the modem to Multi-X. Now it's asking where is the multi, so I can set where my multi is exactly here now. So let me just select study room, we'll click next, and it's asking me to provide location. It's checking the internet connection via Bluetooth, so it will take around 4 minutes. So the router has been connected successfully. Now let's click next. And it's asking me to put a Wi-Fi name here. So here you can name your Wi-Fi. So I have put the 2.4 GHz name as Multi 2.4 and 5 GHz as Multi 5 GHz, and you can just put a Wi-Fi password that you want to put. Now clicking create. So now you can see it says congratulations, your Wi-Fi is now up and running. We'll click next. And it's asking to add another multi, so we just have one multi, so I am done, and you'll just now load and just set up your Wi-Fi settings and configuration. So it's asking for a firmware upgrade, so let's just do it right away. So it will be upgrading the firmware now. So it says the setup is complete now. For wire connections, you can also use your Ethernet cables to connect to your devices with multi. Now my device has been connected to the Multi 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. So here is the Multi app here. So you can see it says my home. We'll click settings and it's asking to add another multis if you want, so you can do that, or you can delete this multi if you want. Then here we have the speed test option which you can do. Then it shows you the Wi-Fi settings that you can configure. Then here are the parental controls. So this is the device which I have connected is my OnePlus 60, so you can just do some parental controls here. You can see the block timer, join profile, etc. So guys, let's do a quick speed test now. So my Wi-Fi router is at ground floor and I'm sitting at first floor now. So my previous router which I was using, TP-Link Deco M5, which was giving around 70 to 80 Mbps on the first floor. So now let's see how much speed does this give. So here I am getting good improvements in speed. As you can see, I am getting around 104.25 Mbps speed, and the upload speed is also around 90 to 20 Mbps. So I'm quite impressed with the speed and the performance of this Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi is also pretty stable, and I'm almost getting full signal on the first floor itself. So guys, now checking up some settings of the Wi-Fi router. Here we have option to add multi, diagnose your Wi-Fi connection. So if your Wi-Fi connection is not running well, you can just diagnose it through here. Then we have the option of settings. So we have port forwarding option, UPnP, which is a universal plug and play. So you just saw that the Wi-Fi router has a USB port, so you can just plug in your USB, so you can enable or disable it. Then we have the DMZ. So we have the DMZ IP here. Network mode, which is NAT standard mode, and you can just tinker with it, and you can just go to advanced setting and configure it according to your preference. In the advanced setting, we have the daisy chain and network topology. So in case you want to refresh the network topology, you can do it from here. So guys, that was my review of the Multi-X Wi-Fi router from Zyxel. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more such cool videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel as The Trendy Blog. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, for more such cool reviews and other posts. So we'll be also posting a detailed review about this router very soon on our website, so you can just stay tuned for that. I will put a link in the description. If you want to purchase this router, I will put a link in the description from where you can go and buy it. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon. My next one. Till then, peace out.